Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hi, hello, welcome. I got a Colourpop haul for you guys today, so let's unbox this. So I placed a Colourpop order a week before Memorial Day, a week before they had their 30% off sale, and I'm kind of kicking myself for it, but I deserve it. I deserve this, okay? I'm telling myself that I deserved it. So let's open her up. So much bubble wrap. Colourpop always puts in all the bubble wrap. But we got a lot of goodies in here. First, I'm gonna start with everything that was on top. So I got 2 brow pencils in the shade Soft Black. I love their brow pencils. They're my favorite. I also love the NYX ones, but I've been having such a hard time finding any brow pencil in black. So I just ordered 2 of these. Then I ordered 2 of their lip lacquers, and they're both very nudie shades. This first one is in the shade Speakeasy. These were on sale. And it's a really pretty, like, brownie kind of nude color. Oh, that is pretty and right up my alley. Here's a little swatch right here. Then the second one is Brandy, and this is another nudie shade. I'm really exciting in the colors, but I just love nudes. I just love nude shades. This is like a pinkier nude, so I did like a brown and a pinky nude. So here's the swatch of that. Really pretty. Really pretty. Ooh. And then I got 2 of their Luxe lip oils, which were also on sale. So first I got Playa Vista, which I feel like this one was like a really fun color, but I could be wrong. No, it's another nude color. Oh god, I cracked myself up. Let's see a swatch. Oh, it's just a pretty like nude. And then the second color I got is Hey with a bunch of Y's. And of course I can't open the box. And I think this one is another boring color. Oh no, this one's like a really pretty like purpley color. I forgot what I ordered. This is pretty. Pretty with like a hint of color. This would be pretty over just like a lip liner or anything. Next, I got the One and Done palette, and I went back and forth on this for a little while because I didn't think I would like it, and then I kept seeing more and more pictures of it. So, I want to see the inside. Oh, it's really pretty. Oh, yes. See, I love palettes with neutrals, but then the pops of pink. Like, that is what sold me. And then this shade, Coattails. I need to swatch that. Oh my god, I wiped all the lip ones off, but okay. Coattails, yep, that's really pretty. This reminds me of an Urban Decay shadow. Coattails, I'm not gonna look for it right now, but it reminds me of one. And then the second palette I got is the It's All Good palette, which this one I always go back and forth on also, because I was like, am I gonna use it, am I not gonna use it? I just love Colourpop, so I'm gonna use it. Oh, this is really pretty. I just love like this whole bottom row and this, just like all of it. But this is just a pretty like neutral, again, with the pops of color. So I'm excited. I'm really excited for this. Ooh, I don't know what one I want to use first. So if you want to know what one I use first, make sure you follow me on Instagram, because I always use a palette for a week and then I review it over there. But yeah, I'm very happy with all these purchases. And that is it for my Colourpop unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Leave comments of videos you want to see next. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll be doing reviews over there of all the products. And yeah, that's all I have to say. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye.